Hi everyone. Now I am going to show you how to upload your assignments in my e-learning course. First open college website and now get into the e-services. At e-services you have a huge list of e-services in which we have our e-learning system. Now log into your account, and I have one dummy account, student1, and another one, the password, and it's taking some time to open. It doesn't matter. Yeah, here it's opened. Here go to your courses, that is my courses. In your courses, find my course, say DR IT FP MT 0001 11 DR 2003, for example. Open my course, and in my course go to the assignments, that is where you want to submit. Say for example page number 3 chapter 1, I am going to submit that assignment, page number 3 assignment 1. I am going to submit. Just go to page number 3 chapter 1, add submission. We have to go for add submission. This page will be open. The first one, plus symbol, is there, right? Just open that plus symbol. On that plus symbol, now this page has been opened. Choose file. Go for the choose file, and after choosing the choose file, the camera will open. Hence open your camera in order to take the picture. Otherwise go for gallery in order to take the picture from your gallery in which you already take the picture of the one. Now the picture has been taken, it's saved to your attachment. Upload this file. Click on upload this file. It's rounding. Let it round. Now it's coming, right? And here click on save changes. The changes are saving. Go to submit assignment. Now you are going to submit your assignment. Click on submit assignment, and here there is one acknowledgement. This assignment is my own work, except where I have acknowledged to use the works of other people. Hence click on that, because it is your work. Click on continue. It's rolling, it's coming, it's uploading your file. Just make a small drag. See the submission status. It is showing submitted for grading. Hence it's done. Your assignments has been submitted. That's it. It's over. Click on your log-on account. Click on log out. It's over now. Thank you very much for listening. Meet you on some other video. Bye.